Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, November 12th, 2021. It is 3:33 and 55 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, dangerous heartbeat. So let's hop to it here. The calculation of a dangerous heartbeat, date November 8, 2021. Source, Flinders University. How ventricular fibrillation, a life-threatening heart rhythm, will behave in an individual patient can be accurately modeled and predicted using a single mathematical equation, according to researchers. The findings could be used to improve patient treatment, including identifying when to intervene or to develop individualized treatment plans that can work more effectively. Ventricular fibrillation, VF, is a life-threatening heart rhythm or arrhythmia that causes the heart to beat irregularly and is one of the leading causes of sudden death in Australia. The research team studied the statistical properties of ventricular fibrillation, identifying the unique patterns that consistently occurred in human patients, as well as in animal computer models of ventricular fibrillation in the heart. The issue we have with ventricular fibrillation is that because the rhythm is so chaotic, it has been very difficult to fully understand the mechanisms that are responsible for the disorder. And this is further complicated by the fact that everyone's heart is unique, so how the heart reacts during ventricular fibrillation changes from patient to patient. However, by identifying the characteristics that consistently occurred, researchers were able to demonstrate for the first time that a single mathematical equation could be used to accurately model and then predict the behavior of ventricular fibrillation. The equation uses principles from a branch of mathematics known as renewal theory to predict the population dynamics of rotors, mini tornadoes of electricity found in the heart during ventricular fibrillation. And these rotors are responsible for giving rise to ventricular fibrillation's chaotic heart rhythm, and therefore understanding their dynamics is essential to treating the disorder. Firstly, the equation seems to predict whether fibrillation will continue to persist or whether it will stop on its own, and this can be important as it can help us identify between patients that require treatment and those where no intervention is needed. The previous research has also demonstrated the equation can be applied to atrial fibrillation, another form of heart arrhythmia that is most common in the world. The next step for the research team is to translate these findings towards patient therapies, including using the equation to develop patient-specific computer models that accurately replicate patient dynamics and understanding how this equation relates to clinical characteristics. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.